Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your voice sound muffled in a CapCut PC. You can either add an audio from your library here, or you can select this microphone button and select the big red button to start recording. Hey guys, and this is just an example of my voice. Okay, this is what it sounds like before it's muffled. Hey guys, and this is just an example of my voice. Okay, so go to speed and times it to 10x speed. Then you're going to right click, create compound clip, and you're going to times it to 0.1x speed, and this is what it's going to sound like. Hey guys, and this is just an example of my voice. As you can see now, it sounds really muffled. Here, I'll show you again. I think I went too fast. 10x speed on the speed, right click, create compound clip, and then times it to 0.1. It is as simple as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.